is
Yung
I can
counsel
make
mo,
a few
pwede lang sa
clarificatory
likod.
questions
Later,
before we start. But these are prejudicial questions, Mr. Chair.
Later. Let's hear first from the principal witness this morning.
No, but these
Are you
are
ready?
prejudicial questions.
Chair,
Go ahead, go ahead.
I wish I can make a few
Foremost to my
clarificatory
mind,
questions
Mr. Chair,
before.
is the integrity, the impartiality, and the objectivity of the proceedings of this committee. Mr. Chair, you were interviewed on Billionario Channel by Miss Pinky Webb. Basahin ko po, sabi niya, Senator Ping, para sa inyo, sino ba ang sabihin natin worth it or dapat na ikonsidera na state witness na ipasok man lang dito sa Witness Protection Program? And you responded, at this point between Diskaya and Bryce Hernandez, Mr. Chair, question is, does the chairman has the prerogative or the right to make judgment?
No. That's my perspective, no? That's my personal opinion outside of the hearing or outside of this hall. So don't question my opinion. That
I am
is my
not questioning
opinion.
your opinion, Mr. Chair, but you are the
Let's not
chairman
quarrel
of this
here.
committee.
Anyway, let's proceed with the
You are not
testimony of-
interested in the prejudicial question that I am going to raise, Mr. Chair?
Go ahead, you raise your
Kaya nga sinasabi ko sa inyo eh.
You're
An
questioning my
investigator,
opinion.
we are investigating.
Away kagad tayo rito.
Mr. Chair, we are still in
Hearing is suspended.
investigating.